Come on, faster! We have to get to the car! Release! Let her go! Let go of the mother lion!
Get help here now. A massive python is strangling a lion. We are near the watering hole on the north side. Hurry.
The tigers are loose in the main hall! I repeat, the tigers are loose! We have an emergency! A rescue is needed! Move! Let's go!
Pull up the traffic cams near Sector Gamma.
Found it. Tagging the vehicle now.
All units, proceed with caution. Subject is mobile.
It must have headed for the dense cover here.
Agreed. We secure the perimeter along the river first.
Send the ground teams to these coordinates immediately.
Microchip scanner, check!
Cages, large transport, 2 secured. Oxygen tanks.
Weapon status, checked!
Confirmed. Ready to deploy.
We're lifting immediately! We're almost there. Stay still! Help is here. You're gonna be fine.
Okay, steady now. We're lifting on the count of 3.
Easy, easy. You're secure now, sir. Clear left, clear right. The rendezvous point is straight ahead. Wait, look, they're already here. Pull left, keep the tension high. I've got the head secured. Lock it in place! Throw the straps over now. Hold the line, keep the tension tight. Bring the cage down now, slowly. Watch the head, don't let it turn. Steady, almost there. All right, bring it down. Watch the corner, steady.
Easy now, steady. I'm just going to apply this dressing.
Is that the full dosage? Yes, just securing the cap now. We should see a reaction within 10 minutes.
Easy now, we're almost finished. You're being very brave. It's all right.
Her heart rate is steady now. She's stabilizing.
Good, she seems much calmer.
3, 2, 1, lift.
She's got it.
That's a good girl, eat up. You deserve these meatballs. Aren't you a handsome little fella? So strong. There you are. We're so relieved you made it. They're beautiful animals. Thank you for your help. Glad I could. I can't thank you enough. Goodbye, old girl.